Ninh Binh is about 90 kilometers away from Hanoi to the south. Ninh Binh shares the administrative border with Hanoi in the north, Nam Dinh in the east, the East Sea in the southeast, Thanh Hoa in the west and southwest, and Ho Chi Minh in the northwest. With over 1.377 57 km raised to the power of 2 of natural area, Ninh Binh has forests, sea and a diverse system of fauna and flora. Ninh Binh topography encompasses plains and the mountains of the Vietnam Northwest Mountain Range. Ninh Binh also keeps a strategic position for military security and social development. Here, troops were usually rallied on their way to the north or south of Vietnam, creating famous victories in Vietnamese national history. Ninh Binh is endowed with many places of particular interest which have been well known inside and outside Vietnam, such as Tam Coc, Bich Dong, Cuc Phuong National Park, Trang An grottoes and Van Long nature reserves. There are also many historical relics, for instance is Hoa Lu ancient capital, Bich Dong pagoda, Tai Vi temple, Phat Diem Stone Cathedral, Tam Deep Defense Line. All of them are attractive to both Vietnamese and foreign tourists. Ninh Binh is the charming land of myth and unique landscapes. Ninh Binh's topography comprises 3 different types of landscapes: wetlands, coastal delta, hills, and mountains. With such a variety of landscapes, Ninh Binh offers many tourist attractions as primitive rainforest, mountains, hills, river delta and the coastal delta. Annually, Ninh Binh has many traditional festivals reflecting the cultural identities of Red River Delta villages. With a deeply rooted history and cultural tradition, the people of Ninh Binh are traditionally very industrious, hard-working, studious, kind, patriotic and particularly hospitable. Most tourist attractions are situated within a radius of 50 kilometers from the provincial city of Ninh Binh, and the linking with all major transport systems is the National Highway No. 1A and the South North Railway. Therefore, long-distance buses and trains from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City, and vice versa stop here, making Ninh Binh an ideal place to spend several days relaxing.